provide them with the sponsorship benefits. So,
Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday inaugurated the Mallangkona police outpost in West Khasi Hills district. Delivering the inaugural address, he said safety and security of the people of the state is of utmost priority for the government, and that the new outpost sends a very strong message that safety and security of the people is important, assuring that similar police setups in other critical locations across the state. This outpost under the Motion Road Civil Subdivision was established in 2019. The construction of the new building cost Rs 17.5 lakhs.
To give a board of change for this special program.
All the way from Shillong to be amongst us despite your busy schedule. Your presence here is a testament.
That as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today.
The Indian documentary producers